Hello friend, today I am here with a new video. And this video belong to message if you want to your girlfriend mobile message come in your mobile, then this video for you. And other who wants to other mobiles message come in his mobile, that person people. Okay, so video, let's get started. First you need this app. This app name is SMS auto forward app. Okay, I will give you this video downloading link description below. And if you want to download, I have already give video on how to download tutu app. And if you want to download this app, will help you easily. I will already give video. I will give you description below how to download tutu app. Okay, then you will see description below, and then search SMS a UTO auto SE auto forward. Okay, tap on, you need to tap on SMS auto FORWA forward here, and then tap on, and it will load. My net is slow, so I'm, and here you will see in top of here auto SMS auto forward. In, you need to download this. Okay, and then I'm going to this app. I have already installed it, so I don't need to install anymore. And tap on here in this app, wait until it open, and here you will see it comes like this application. Go to setting, you need to go to setting, and then you want to enter number which you want to add number, which in this mobile message you want to which mobile number want to forward, which mobile number to forward this mobile to other mobile, which number you need to add number, which number do you like, and add it. And if you want to delete, tap on this that number, and then tap on OK. Then he will see it will delete. And here SMS forward service, you need to on it this application. And here you will see you need to stop forward auto ADS SMS. Tap on here and then save it, and save it, and it will saved. And go to back, and this is easy for using apps for. So thank you for watching guys. Like and subscribe my channel if you new. So thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye bye.